A lot of investors I partner with have one major challenge. They are busy professionals that love to create memories with their families, but are too busy to actively look and find value-add real estate that cash flows. Hey guys, I'm John Fortes, and I want to partner with you. I provide investment opportunities through apartment syndications that allow my partners to invest passively so they don't have to worry about trading more time for money. If you are interested in creating passive streams of income, wealth creation, and all the tax benefits that come along with investing through real estate, I encourage you to fill out the form at www.investwithfortes.com. Invest today so that tomorrow you can trade money for time. Once again, that's www.investwithfortes.com. And I can't wait to partner with you.
Are you a busy professional looking to diversify your portfolio? Ever wanted to passively invest in real estate but don't know where to start? John Fortes provides you with a guide to passively invest in real estate. This is the Passive Investor Show.
And now, the Passive Investor Show. Here's your host, John Fortes.
Hello, PI listeners. Thank you for lending me your time today. Welcome to the Passive Investor Show. I'm John Fortes. Our goal is to provide you, the busy professional, with passive investing tips and tricks for your real estate investments to leverage more time for you to focus on your true passions. Let's get to work. When I meet with a first-time investor, we usually get familiar with each other, and one of the biggest questions that I get is, what's the minimum investment? We want to cover a few things on this topic. And why do you want to know what the minimum investment is? And you also want to know what's the maximum we can contribute to each opportunity and why each deal is different. So most general partners have a minimum investment. The more experience the GP has and the larger the project, the higher the minimum. Why do we want to know? Well, you want to know what the minimum investment is because you want to determine if you are financially capable of investing in the deal. You also want to know what the maximum amount of capital the general partners will allow you to invest in each deal. And typically that's 19% of the total equity investment. Anything greater than 19%, and the passive investor is underwritten by the lender, meaning you are signing on the loan. With most limited partners, they want to remain private and they don't want to sign on another loan. So that is the reason why we keep investors under that 19% threshold, at that 19 or under. Here's an example. So we're going to take this apartment that we need to raise $1.5 million. A minimum investment for this particular deal would be $50,000 for first-time investors. And returning investors would be able to invest $25,000. The maximum investment for this deal for one investor would be $285,000. That meets the 19% threshold. Anything higher than that, and we're going to have a conversation on scaling back your investment, or you're going to have to sign on the dotted line with the lender. Now let's recap. We just discussed why we want to know what the minimum investment is, to know if you have the capability and the means to be able to participate in such an investment. And then we discussed what the maximum is we can contribute, and that's that 19%. And the reason why each deal and opportunity is different, which is why you may invest more in one deal and less in another deal, or the minimum in another deal. So consider it just like how you invest now. You like something, you might be bullish on something, on one investment, and you might just want to dap your toe in another. That usually happens with first-time investments. And also, it usually happens when you are testing a new market. So that is the minimum investment. And thank you for your time. PI listeners, I'm grateful for your time and I appreciate you for listening. For more information, go to passiveinvestorshow.com. If any of this resonates with you, please subscribe and leave a review. The more you know, the more we grow. Thank you for tuning in. Till next time.